If your PS5 controller is drifting, like your character moves on its own, don't panic and don't grab a screwdriver just yet. There are a couple of easy fixes you can try with no tools. Step 1. Go to your PS5 settings, scroll down to Accessories, then Controllers, and reset your stick dead zone, if the game allows it. A lot of new titles give you that option. Step 2. Try the soft reset. Flip your controller over, press the tiny reset button with a pin for about 5 seconds. Then reconnect it to your PS5. That clears out any software glitches. Step 3. Clean it. Grab a can of compressed air and or even just blow gently around the analog stick edges while moving the stick in circles. Dust and dirt cause most drift issues. If that doesn't do it, step 4. Plug your controller into your PS5 with a cable and update the firmware. Sony drops quiet fixes that improves calibration. And finally, if it still drifts, recalibrate it in the game settings. Sometimes bumping up the dead zone by just 2% or 3% makes it playable again. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.